Hey guys, hope you're fine. So today we're going to be making dumplings. Let's start.
So we have different sizes of wraps here. A bigger square one and smaller square ones. We're going to use this one for now. So we're going to use some ground chicken. You can use any type of stuffing. We just use this. So you're going to fill it in the middle and add some water here, and you're going to just rub it around the edge so it gets, sticky. Now you're going to fold two corners. Well, there are many ways that you can fold these wraps. You can just do it your way, whatever you like. I'm just going to do it this way. Gotta kind of pinch it. If the water is dry, you can, of course, add more water. There it is. So now we're going to use the big roll square. So we're going to add more ground chicken. We're actually going to add it on one edge. You want it to be all in one edge, like a straight line. And then you're going to add some water. And then you're gonna just roll it. And if the water dries up, you can add more. Now these are ready to fry. Now we will fry our rolls. Always remember to have adult supervision when you're in the kitchen. They're ready.
I hope you like this recipe and try it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe.